All right, what's up, guys? So I'm here in my garage. This is technically gonna be the start of the sub reveal video because it's all gonna happen very quickly. I just want to document everything, so just want to start off by first loading everything into the truck.
Wake your ass
We are gonna have someone by the name of Loud Junkie 420 do the install for this. I didn't want to try to install it myself because there's gonna be a lot of pieces to this that is better if you just outsource it, just have someone else do it. I also really don't have a lot of time throughout my days to do a system of this caliber. So my buddy is gonna do everything himself. So that means all I'm gonna do is just drop off the truck with everything that I need for the system, and then he's gonna take care of the rest. So because there's not gonna be a lot of videos of the build, I just wanted to at least put something together here in the beginning. All right, so after some hard work, everything is now fully loaded into the Tahoe. Everything that I will need for the system is now in here. This is the amps, the subs, the head unit, the fans to cool the amps, a bunch of wire, a bunch of accessories, cables of every sort. Everything is all in here. That is crazy to think that all the hard work for the last year that I've been doing to get the system is all in this trunk. So let's get started on this process because it's gonna be beautiful and it's gonna be what we've been waiting for. All right, so change of scenery here. I fully loaded the Tahoe with all the supplies for the build and I dropped it off to my installer, Loud Junkie 420, and he's gonna do the install. I was thinking, let's make this a collab. So instead of just showing up with the Tahoe fully done, I decided, why not have Loud Junkie go into the video here and explain his process. So I hit him up and he was more than happy to do so. Man, he's a solid guy for that. So he's gonna be doing the install. Sorry, it's a little loud here. I work with in transportation, so there's a lot of tools clanking around and whatnot. Without further ado, let's welcome Loud Junkie 420.
What's going on, guys? Your boy Loud Junkie here doing the one and only Mondo's Tahoe. So, I mean, he already brought it to me with the dual alternator. But there's like a big ass twist. There's a reason why there's a dual alternator. So, I'm going to end up doing the full install. Amp rack, box. He's going with, man, it's going to be a clean, loud setup. Some ZV615, some Yinglong, some Crescendo amps. I mean, sky is the limit. It's going to be kind of insane. So, I mean, further ado, I mean, just let's get it started, you know what I'm saying? Let's get it going. Let's see what we can get. From the wiring, I'm going to try to keep you guys updated from the install, from the build, from everything. It's going to be, again, a loud and a clean install. For now, we out. Let's get to work. Let's go. And it begins. Time to do all this wire madness. Turn these seats out. And let's show you what's all going on besides wire. Muévete, Jefferson, muévete. Got some Yinglongs in. Little balancer, real nice. 4 ZV6s, 15s. Bunch of crazy shit going on. But, well, let's just start. Let's get it. 2 alternators, 2 400 McMahons. Let's get it. All right, let's show what we got done for today. So we got our fuse holder in. You know what I'm saying? All our wire loom, heat shrink. We got grounds to the frame. We still got to clean that up, the ignition to the alternator. Just make it nice and clean. Since we're already looming everything, let's just keep looming everything. Got the battery to lead in there. And then let's go to the back. We're still running RCAs. And we got the radio out, our RCAs in. We got the ground, 4 grounds. The 2 watt. Everything's 2 watt, double out, whatever. And that's already ran. 2 watts going to the front to back with the power. The 4 straight to the frame. Let me show you where it's at real quick. Let me get my fat ass down there. And there it is. 4 grounds. Real clean. Straight to the frame. Same thing with the front. So, We're getting everything done one step at a time. Let's get it. All right, so this is what we got done so far. We got 3 layers of kill mat up there. Probably gonna add a 4th just to use it all. Still got a couple little things to go. Boy, that shit looking good. Yeah, well, I suck recording, so I guess here's the finished product. We got 4 ZV6s, 15s, big ass box, tuned to 33 hertz, and then we got the full install. So all SMD copper, from the speaker terminals to, you can't see them because they are heat shrink, but all these are copper. And then ceramic fuses, copper fuse holder. I wish I could show you the bottom right now, but I'll show you the ground fuse holder. But everything copper, copper, copper. So that's the finished product. And then let's show you the front. Yeah, we did the doors. So we added a 6.5 and a super tweeter per door. So we got the Crescendo, the Skyway 3K running the 6.5s. And then we got the Symphony, I think S2 running the tweeters. Audio controlled DSP, 2 Crescendo 8Ks, 160 amp hours of Yinglong, an itty bitty boom lithium, this little box that he built. And then, like I said, all the doors got super tweeters and 6.5s. You can't see them because they got the grill, but you kind of see them. The Exelon radio, Kenwood, the nice bass knob, real nice, clean, loomed out. Tuck it in real here, nice and convenient. And then I'll show you the front. So the front got the dual alternator, the battery delete, the 3, or he's got actually 1 run to each of those alternators, and then another fuse holder in the front. Again, copper, ceramic fuses. I mean, this is done right. So next is demo. Let's see what we get.